What's up, everybody? It's your boy June, and I'm coming to you again with another video. I'm with my buddy Danny, and we're out in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. Yeah, you hear the airboats in the background? Yeah, it's flooded. It's flooded. The hurricane really is not coming near us, but we have flood. Water is water everywhere. What is it? The king tide? King tide is up, so the water is way higher. But this is a beautiful area, guys. We're going through the trail. We're gonna take it back down that way. Let's see.
And that's what I gotta say.
And that's what you gotta say.
All right, let's get it.
Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you subscribe. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Uh-oh, Danny don't sound too good, and I'm running out of gas. So, let's get it. Oh. Right, he got through. I can get through. Oh yeah. Ooh, stump there. I got stuff in my impeller. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. Alright. This fucking nut. He's throwing me over. He's a nut. I got some kind of wood. Something stuck in my Uh-oh. This way. Go that way, go this way. Stop beeping already. I know I'm almost out of gas. Oh. We gotta go too slow. We gotta go too slow. Oh. Yeah, I did it. And I'm out. Yes. Oh, here comes the challenge. That is. I've been like that. Wow. I'm stuck. What was that? Can't get it out. St. John's River on the East Coast side, which is by Lake Washington area, and because of the king tide, this area is super extra flooded. I mean, it's been flooded the past month and a half, but right now it's bad. I mean, check it out. You know who that guy is, right? Infamous Tank Junkie. day. Time to go home. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, people. Peace out.